From banging pots and pans on front porches to holding parades outside hospitals, Canadians were creative in expressing gratitude and support for healthcare workers fighting COVID-19. But for some, the love has turned to hate.
You start to question whether you're actually safe.
It's not something that I ever imagined would be part of the story of the pandemic.
There's lots of misogynistic and anti-Semitic smears in particular.
Once hailed as healthcare heroes, a number of them now report becoming targets for hate.
Many of us do believe that this is associated with a recent decision when the government of Ontario did not support mandating vaccines for health workers.
This pharmacologist, who dedicates her time to breaking down data and answering questions on everything COVID-19 related, shared a threatening email she received.
Obviously went into a complete panic, making sure that my address is not known, my personal and private information is clamped down.
Ottawa Dr. Nili Kaplan-Myrth, who has organized large outdoor vaccination events, is now afraid to walk outside alone after receiving a letter she said contained a death threat.
It's not a patient. It's not somebody I even know of through social media or anywhere else, sending a letter saying that I should be killed.
The College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario says significant changes in public health policy often result in physicians and CPSO staff being subjected to abusive and intimidating behaviors by members of the public.
I think our government should be taking a strong stance against harassment and violence and threats directed against healthcare workers.
Sabina Vora-Miller is also calling on all levels of government to do more to protect healthcare staff, but says the hateful rhetoric won't stop her from getting information out.
If you stop, you're letting them win, and so I'm not going to let them stop me or slow me down.
Caryn Lieberman, Global News.